Wait lang. Wait lang. Ay, ate, tingin na naman.
Sige po siya para mag-consider. Game?
Ready po yan?
Ready po.
Yung order na po, okay?
Anytime po.
Yes, okay.
Anytime.
Okay na yung audio ko.
Oh, anytime.
It was a long flight, very memorable. Nakita na, sobrang naging bonding experience.
Yeah, one day flight.
Parang kami nasa Philippines.
Yes. Exchange students from the Philippines.
Yes, we are so excited to go around London first, then Birmingham. It's really important na nagkatulay lang kami because some batches are designated for Birmingham. But us, we're gonna be enjoying it.
Because we're being shooting a lot.
Shooting in different areas. Personally, this is my first time.
Wow! Wow! Connie, welcome!
Actually, place location.
I'm looking forward to see my friend Kate Middleton.
Wow! Invite mo kaya? Nakasap.
Saan siya sa Supadal? Leading ladies.
10 years. 10 years. I was there. Sorry. I was there.
Wala ako.
2015. Kinikwento ko nga yung mga nangyari. Very memorable experiences. Some sana mangyari, some hindi. Pero,
Bakit? Gusto mo siya? Ano yun?
that is just reserved for us na lang. But we are looking forward to bring the best of the best Filipino talent right here in the Philippines, especially in Birmingham.
I love it. I love it. The word, I love it.
Oh. Ako meron ako. Ano? Fish and chips.
Di ba pwedeng sama-sama natin isang word na lang tayo tatlo?
Ah, sige. One word.
Spontaneous.
Cutest.
Homecoming. Ay, first time po.
Akala ko, London din.
Yeah!
Gusto din lang isip niya, London din.
Galing mo.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Gusto ko dito talaga yung London Bridge. Saka yung Big Ben. Yung mga usual tourist destinations. And yung Notting Hill.
Tagline namin.
Kinuwento mo.
More on the Tower Bridge.
Tower Bridge, not London Bridge.
Tower
May glass top of taas kaya nakikita mo kung gaano kataas.
Shark.
Let's do that, ah.
The blue one is the Tower Bridge.
London Eye.
Tower Bridge. Akala nila London Bridge yung maganda.
Yeah.
Pero it's Tower Bridge na.
It's the Tower Bridge.
I learned about professionalism so much, especially with these two. Tagal lang po nila sa industry. Marami ko na pala matunan sa kanila. Haligi, sa ASAP. Maraming salamat, Anton. I learned how to vocalize.
Wow! As a performer.
Kasama kami sa best.
Natuto rin po ako sa mayon.
Kaya, mga idol namin kasama.
mga kababayan namin. See you sa Birmingham in few days. Nakita-kita po tayo for an all-star party with your community.
As of England, Mini Tools Arena happening this August 9.
We're gonna bring the best of the best Filipino talent.
Yes.
Abangan nyo yung mga world-class collaborations. We're so excited. Yeah, maraming salamat po.
Next
so glad.
performance ni Ro.
Oh yes, meron! Sing and dance! Yes, Kuya Rocky Domingo. Pero ako sobrang excited na ako na mag-guest lang. And since then, yung appointment ko last time, I'm very excited for the show to start. Kaya sa lahat po ng bumili ng tickets, maraming salamat. And there is still time to purchase tickets, di ba guys?
Yes.
So please purchase your tickets since we are already a few days away from ASAP in Birmingham. Maraming salamat.
Nandito na kami.
Andito na kami. We're finally here. So, buy your tickets now. Thank
See
you.
you Saturday.
We'll see you there.
Guys, yes.
Camera mo na lang o sa ako?
Wait lang, pa-picture yung team ko. Sino pwede?
Siya. Oh, yan.
Nanginginig po yung kamay ko eh. Akin na po.
Check behind ah.
Ako dito banda.
O, dito ako sa likod. Yeah, ang tagal mo magbukas. Ito.
Agad naman mag-white wine. May narinig ako agad na white wine ang in-order.
Gusto mo, Tay?
Ako nga Sprite lang eh, white wine talaga.
Sabay na tayo. Ano, masaya panoorin si Michael Jackson.